Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today my topic is 20 shocking truths about gardening. The number one is gardening can be physically demanding. Gardening involves a lot of physical labor from digging and weeding to carrying heavy pots and tools. Soil is alive. Soil is not just dirt, it's a complex ecosystem teeming with millions of microorganisms, fungi, and insects that contribute to plant health. Plant communication. Plant communicate. Research has shown that plants can communicate with each other through chemical signals warning neighboring plants about threats such as pests or diseases. Companion planting works. Certain plants have beneficial effects on each other when grown together, such as repelling pests or providing shade. Plant can get sunburned. Just like human, plants can suffer from sunburn if exposed to intense sunlight without proper protection. Number 6 is weeds have a purpose. While weeds can they can indicate specific soil condition and can be used as indicator of soil health. Overwatering can harm plants. Many gardeners mistakenly believe that more water is always better, but overwatering can lead to root rot and other issues. Insects are essential for pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and other insects play a crucial role in pollinating plants, ensuring the production of fruits and seeds.